Morning, everybody. It's about a half hour before work, before the crew gets here. But I made a boo-boo. It does happen. We make mistakes, but most of the times you can fix it, patch it, repair it, something or another before replacing it, and we're doing that exactly right now. So here is just changed out alternators, and that's a new belt, but I broke the housing right here. That's a piece of aluminum on the nut right here, because what we're going to do is we're going to seal it. We're going to put this strip over the bolt, and then over the strip of aluminum. It's just a can that I had cut out from sitting in the truck. So, and we're going to use the weld steel stick. Sets in like 5 minutes. So just a quick patch here. I got to mix up the putty real quick, and that was such a right here. That was so putty. It takes about an hour to cure. You want to do this when it's dry, temperatures are decent. The colder it is, the slower it will set and cure. I learned from doing this. So, and when it hardens, it is solid. It is steel. So, and gasoline will corrode it before it sets, so that you won't be going anywhere with that idea. Just a heads up. Some of the things people say out there just really not accurate. So I'm gonna do a couple chunks here. I'm cutting them out. Got a couple right here, and you just blend it together until it turns a dark gray, and then you're ready to apply. Oop. Just gotta work it for a little bit. Takes a little bit of work, but it works great. This stuff I recommend it. But apply it to something dry and clean it before applying. This part's really clean. This really doesn't have anything on it. See how dark it's getting? You get all the gray, the light gray, turn to the dark gray, and okay, we're ready. Where did my piece go? My silver piece that I just sized. There it is. So I did a little bit. All you need is like 1.5 inches, but I did like a pointed off towards the end, and that's flat against the other wall. But just gonna do this, and I'm trying to get it right. I'm gonna have to set it. Either way, guys, you know what I'm saying. You know what to do. So let me set this. Beautiful. Oh, well, my other piece popped out. That's fine. We'll work with it. I might need to use a little more than that, but we'll work with it. Make sure to keep it all together so it can form solid. And yeah. So this is where it wants to bend on me. Alright. We're getting it. Just gotta work it a little bit so it sticks real good. And you can put, little things like probably a saran wrap or a bag or something, but let's see. Make sure it is not touching any fan. Make sure that it sets to this side. But anyways, I'm gonna work that in, and that's how you fix that. For the meantime, I do have another alternator, but it takes a different cord until I get that cord, that plug. This is what I'm working with. But thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.